Welcome back to Daily English Conversations. I'm July, and today we're bringing you part 3 of our study series with Anna. That's right. Today, July and I are meeting up for our very first weekend study session at the library. Let's listen in. Hey, Anna, over here. I saved a quiet table for us. Hi, July. Thanks for coming early. I brought my notebook and some coffee for us. You're the best. So, what should we focus on first for today's practice? How about we practice ordering food and asking for directions? I always get nervous doing that in English. That's a great idea. Role-playing real scenarios is one of the fastest ways to build confidence. Perfect! You be the restaurant server first, and I'll be the customer. Sounds fun. Good afternoon. Welcome to the cafe. What can I get for you today? Hi, I'd like an iced latte with oat milk, please. How much is that? That will be $4, please. Wow, Anna, your pronunciation was so natural. Really? Practicing out loud with you makes it feel so much easier. See? You're improving already. Let's swap roles now. What real-life situation do you want to practice in English? Tell us in the comments below. If you enjoyed part 3, please like, share, and subscribe for more dialogues. Keep practicing, and see you next time. Bye!